Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best outdoor roller skates in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out on without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Moxi Beach Bunny Women's Roller Skates. These outdoor roller skates for women are about half the price of the Lolly, but are still great quality, fun to skate on and made right here in the USA. The boots on the Beach Bunny skates are made out of vinyl, instead of leather like the Lolly. The vinyl uses a drum-dyed technique to ensure pure color saturation so you get a truer, longer-lasting color. This boot also provides extra ankle padding, giving you more stability. The boots come in ladies' sizes 1 to 10 in medium width. These skates come with a Marvel aluminum plate, 58mm Moxi Beach Bunny wheels, 78A durometer, and ABC5 skate bearings. It comes in 5 fun colors including peach blanket, orange, periwinkle sunset, purple, sky blue, watermelon and strawberry lemonade, yellow. Number 2. Our second best pick is Moxi Lolly Skates. Our top pick for the best outdoor roller skates for women is this one. This skate is made by Moxi Skates right here in the USA. It's made especially for recreational and street skating. It has a soft leather boot that slowly breaks after you skate on it for a while. Nothing is like leather. It forms to your foot better, lasts longer and is more durable than its synthetic counterparts. And the ladies love these skates. Their bright colors, 100% bovine leather and strong overall design make them loved by roller skaters everywhere. The boot comes in men's sizes 4 to 10 in medium width. It comes in 8 different colors, so there is something for everyone. They come with the Moxi Gummy outdoor wheels on it. These wheels are 65mm tall x 35mm wide and have a 78 hardness rating. That makes them perfect for skating on rough surfaces like asphalt, concrete, sidewalks and other outdoor surfaces. They come with ABC5 carbon steel bearings, a lightweight Powerdyne nylon plate and adjustable toe stops. If you are looking for a great pair of outdoor quad roller skates, then this one's for you. Number 3. Our third best pick is Pacer Stratos Traditional Quad Roller Skates. It wins the best budget-friendly outdoor roller skates on our list. You can find these skates on Amazon and Roller Skate Nation for under $100. These wheels are 58mm tall and 32mm wide and are made of a polyurethane material that make them great for indoor rink skating and outdoor skating on cement or sidewalks. They will be a bit bumpy on asphalt as the wheels are a little harder and made for smooth surfaces. The skate plate is made out of a heavy aluminum, making it sturdy for skaters of all sizes. It also comes with a jump bar for extra stability. The boots are comfortable for the price and provide good ankle support. The men's skate in black comes in sizes 312 and ladies skate in white comes in sizes 310. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sure Grip Boardwalk Outdoor Skates. Next up, we have our top outdoor roller skates for beginners. These are great outdoor roller skates for kids, women or men. It comes in men's sizes 4 to 10 for all of the boots except for tan and black. The tan and black colors go all the way up to size 13, perfect for men with giant feet, like me. I shot all of my how to roller skating tutorials wearing a size 13 pair of tan Boardwalk skates. They are a great all-around beginner outdoor roller skate. They feature high-quality suede boots that are really nicely padded. The high-top boot gives you more stability as a beginner. For folks with smaller feet, you have some super fun colors to choose from. They are sure to get people's attention with colors like purple, blue, green, red or pink. This skate comes with rock nylon roller skate plates, adjustable rubber toe stops, and ABC3 roller skate bearings. It also comes with Sure Grip's Boardwalk outdoor skate wheels, one of my favorite outdoor wheels. These wheels are 78A in diameter and are 65mm in diameter. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is SureGrip GT50 Motion Outdoor Roller Skate. If you want a good quality pair of beginner outdoor roller skates on a budget, then this may be for you. These skates usually come in at just over $100, and they are a good first pair of roller skates. The quality is not as nice as the Boardwalks or Moxi skates mentioned above, but if you are tight on a budget and need a good pair of skates, then check out the Malibu. The boots on the Malibu are vinyl high-top boots that are leather-lined with stitched soles. They have SureGrip's nylon probe skate plates. One downside is they do have a fixed toe stop, meaning you can't adjust it but you can remove it. However, beginners don't need to be fiddling with their toe stops. They sport Malibu wheels that come in a 57mm diameter, height, and an 85A durometer. This 85A wheel hardness makes these skates good as both outdoor and indoor roller skates. The color choices are limited to just black or white, so you don't get all of the fun colors. The boots come in men's sizes 1 to 12, so most folks can also fit into these skates. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.